Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wonder Ways. I hope you're keeping good. As you may be knowing, we have been lately sharing breakfast recipes for weight loss, and this one is also one among them. And here's a recipe of making a homemade muesli with homemade granola. The recipe for my version of making granola is already shared here in our channel, and I can give the link to that in the description below. Anyways, as of now, let's get to the recipe of making this muesli for breakfast. Into a bowl, I am taking the Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, as we know, is packed with proteins, which will help to increase a feeling of fullness and reduce your appetite. The proteins, as we know, is very important for muscle growth and repair, and which, of course, is very essential when you're trying to lose weight while preserving the lean muscle mass. And the Greek yogurt has a higher protein content when compared to the regular yogurt, so making it the better option for a weight loss diet. Here we need to simply whisk in and make a creamy texture of it. Then I'm going to add dates syrup. This is for sweetness, so you can easily replace it with organic honey or the molasses. Now adding a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Then again give a good mix. It's very quick and easy recipe and of course requires no cooking at all. And here is our yogurt base ready. As of now, let's keep it aside and make preps for the toppings. In this recipe, I'm going to use fruits as toppings. And this time, here we have some kiwi. You can use any fruits of your choice. The kiwi is believed to be very helpful in weight loss. It is a low-calorie fruit with low glycemic index, and so they can help to manage hunger, reduce cravings, and prevent overeating. Kiwi is also rich in dietary fiber and antioxidants like vitamin C. That's it. So let's assemble them in a serving bowl. First, I'm adding some cut portion of kiwi. Over that, let's layer with the homemade granola, which in itself has lots of dry fruits and nuts. Next, we're going to add big scoops of the yogurt mix, which we had previously prepared. Then let's top it with some cut portion of kiwi. And lastly, I also like to add a pinch of roasted black sesame seeds. So this is one of my ways of serving muesli. You can easily relish it as a quick and healthy source of breakfast, especially when you're on a weight loss diet plan and looking for new kind of recipes to uplift your taste buds. Now, alternatively, you can also assemble it in this way. And for that, into the bowl of the yogurt mix, I'm directly adding the granola. Then give a good mix and immediately take it to a serving cup. Just fill the cup according to your serving size with the yogurt granola mix. For your doubts and queries, feel free to mail to us or put them in the comments below. Let's also top with some more granola for a crunchy feel. And finally, the cut fruits. So yes, you're done. And here is our homemade muesli ready to serve. The best to serve as a quick breakfast and sometimes as a brunch on days when you feel an extra hunger or has a craving. This will of course keep the calories down and help yourself with new and varieties of healthy eating to boost up your weight loss journey without the burden of having the same routine meals daily. More details about the ingredients and their effect on weight loss is available in our website. And here's a link for you in the description below. That was indeed a good time having you here, and would love to take goodbye from you with hopes to see you soon in our next video.